Globalization of business and the emergence of the digital economy are two key factors that are shaping the modern manufacturer and distributor. Old business models are being disrupted and new ones created by a user-driven ecosystem of modern computing. As these trends shape and redefine the competitive landscape, how do you as a business owner leverage the opportunities that arise? ERP is fundamental to the success of any manufacturing and distribution operation, especially in a constantly evolving environment. By integrating all your core business processes, you can control the whole enterprise more efficiently and drive huge improvements in the productivity and overall effectiveness of your organization. Establishing which ERP system is going to provide you with the best value is not at all easy. Maintaining that value as your business evolves and your ERP requirements change is even more difficult. And at SYSPRO, no one understands the challenges that manufacturers and distributors face better than we do. With over 40 years of specialization in these two industries, we offer an industry-built ERP solution designed to suit your business needs, both now and well into the future, helping you stay ahead of the competition so that your business can enjoy sustainable and profitable growth. Our latest release of SYSPRO ERP has infinite possibilities underscored by these 8 principal benefits.